biscuit? Yes, I want a biscuit. What's in the biscuit? Hi guys, welcome to Pulsevere. I'm Philly and today I'm going to be teaching you the Remi Sit. And it looks like this. So the Remi Sit is essentially you tying your legs in a knot and then sitting on it and then taking your hands off. It's got a bit of a reputation for being just a little bit of a bitch. Essentially what we're doing is a knee around the ankle, the other ankle around the pole, and dropping our weight into it. Once we feel comfortable here, and I say comfortable in very loose terms, we take our hands off if we can. So the entry for this one is going to be from an invert. So I need you to have a really solid outside leg hook from an invert. We invert and hook our outside leg. We're going to devil's point shuffle, or you can use your bottom hand to pop your bottom leg around the pole. We need a really good deep knee hook in our bottom leg. Replace the hands underneath your top knee. Now from here, we unhook our top leg. Knee comes around the ankle. Ankle comes around the pole and we straighten up. You'll find you need to straighten up a little bit to get that guy onto the pole safely, and we flex the foot. This locks us in. I've got my knee hooked, my bottom leg. My other leg is hooked into the ankle and then it's wrapped around the pole. So there's no going anywhere. If we keep our knees nice and wide, no problems. From here, we put our weight on to lock it all in. Then we can take our hands off. If you feel safe, you can lean all the way back, just like a layback. To exit, we need to unravel. So the first thing is putting our hands on the pole and lifting just a little bit to take our weight off this vicious knot we've got going on. So we unravel our legs, and the best exit is a violator. Place the thighs back onto the pole and down onto the ground for a nice clean exit.